Today we are going to present you a unique dish which we have seen in Sri Lanka when we travel there. This is a flour, a particular flour available in Sri Lanka. As I was told, this is a jungle seed made into a flour. This is available in major department stores here. And the other ingredients are flour number 3, an egg, glazed coconut, and salt. We use rock salt. To begin with, add flour. 1 cup of flour, into a bowl. Add 1 cup of flour. We call it Kurakkan flour into the bowl. Add grated coconut, a similar quantity. Break the egg in. Add salt. Salt you have to add carefully to suit to your taste. Always adding salt little less is better, because later you can adjust it. If you put more salt in the beginning, it will be difficult later to adjust the levels. Add water, just sufficient to make it a pulp. While mixing, you will know that the water quantity is not sufficient. So you can add a bit more, but never add more than necessary. Then mix it. Timber spoon with a spatula is better, because metal to metal mixing could generate some metal powder or metal extract into the dish. So when you are using a metal dish, better and advisable to use a timber spatula or a spoon. Mix it thoroughly. Mixing can be done by pounding with the wooden spatula. It will mix ingredients properly. About 15 minutes mixing has made the dough thoroughly mixed, as you can see. Spread dry flour on a cutting board, preferably a plastic sheet. Spread it nicely. Take a lump of dough into the palm, roll it to a ball with dry flour coating so that it will not get attached to your palm, and put on the now ball. You can roll it to make a flat cake or flat roti. If you find it is sticky, you can always spread some dry flour on top of that, and it will not get stuck into the rolling. Making it thinner about 2 millimeters or to 2 to 3 millimeters, and then you can use a circular bowl to make an exact circular bread or circular roti. Remove the excess flour and put it into the mixing bowl. And you have an exact circular roti. Preheat a non-stick flat pan on the stove. When it is hot, reduce the temperature to about 60 to 90 degrees. Place the roti on the pan and cover it. You can accommodate more than one roti depending on the size of the roti you are making. Now in my case, I can accommodate 3 rotis in a medium size flat non-stick pan. After 15 minutes of cooking under low temperature, in this case 60 degrees, I increased it to 100 degrees after 15 minutes. So this at 100 degrees it will bake the rotis perfectly on the top. Remember, every 5 minutes you topple the roti upside down for even cooking. I could make 15 fat breads from the amount of flour I used. These are yet to be cooked. The bread, the roti is ready. Due to its originality and the nature is coming from jungle, the flour is little bit bitter taste, but you will like it. You can eat it with cream, garlic cream, or chocolate paste, or honey. It will be a unique experience for your family. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.